Hey, this is Smitty's Garage. Today I'm going to try to do a really quick video on how to replace the oil pressure sensor. This is what it is, oil pressure sensor, and it's going to be on a 2000 Chevy Tahoe. I looked all over YouTube, etc., and couldn't find anything that specifically addressed this year and make vehicle. It's a very common problem. If your oil meter in the car is pegging and doing weird stuff like going back and forth when you turn the car on, it goes to zero or it goes to the other side, you're leaking oil. It's a very common problem. You can't figure out where it's coming from. This is your go-to, okay? It's very simple to do. You're gonna need an oil pressure sensor. You can find that on Amazon or get it at your auto parts store, fairly inexpensive. You are going to need a special tool, okay? This allows it to fit on this very long neck, goes down, fits over this specialized little nut that you need to get down in there, okay? First thing you need to do is take off your valve cover. It sits right here, okay? A couple of screws, number 8s. Just pop that off, okay? And you will find you're gonna have to get up on your engine like so, and you will find right down in here is a little, it's on the right side of the engine, by the way, the driver's side. You'll find a little cap to pop off. It's right there, a little connector. I'll shine a flashlight on it for you. See if you can see it. You see that good, Christian?
Yeah.
So I popped off this connector. You literally lift this little white tab right there. I don't know if you can see my thumb, a little tab on the right there. And it slides right off, okay? You can see that's already oiled up. That's because the pressure sensor, the oil is pushing it through and causing your oil to leak, okay? Now, you go right down in there where you snapped it off. That little connector is your oil pressure sensor. Now, that sensor sits, put that out of the way there. That sensor sits on there, sits in there just like this. You go to the back, sensor's just straight down, and it's screwed in. So we're gonna take our little tool here. I kind of got I just did an extension with a ratchet, so make sure I'm going lefty-loosey. And you just kind of want to get down in there and just do the initial breaking of it. You can actually feel, if you go behind this wire and you go straight down, you can feel your sensor down there. And so, try not to fall over into the engine. Then you just go down. To be honest, this ratchet might be a little bit too long, but you just go straight down